come and join us, jaunting with us with Cindy and Graham in South Africa. You're welcome on every trip we go to, whether it's the coffee shops or away.
Okay, so I've been battling with the compressor with low pressure. So a friend of mine had this one, which is seized up, but I managed to get the valve system off it because that's what was the problem on mine. These have adapters and it's like a brittle material, so if you tighten too tight, it cracks it. So I put glue in it, Bretli Patti, my father's favorite, but it doesn't help. So what I did was I got this thing from him, paid a couple of bucks for it, and I took it off. It goes here, like this. So I took it off and I put it onto this one, and it seems to work perfectly. I was trying to spray, it went down to about 100 kilopascals, which is nothing. Now it sort of hovers between 400 and 500 kilopascals, which is, oh, sorry, my nose is itchy, which is better for spray. So hopefully next time we spray we're going to have a better system. This one was, I knew I was like spraying on a, what do they call it? A patch in a dream. What?
I don't know.
Prayer.
Ah.
So yeah, it works much better. So when we do the grey and the white first and then the grey, I think we're going to have better results.
Graham polishing the car, the van I should say. Jaunti went back into the workshop. We thought it was the McPherson strut, but it seemed like it was just tightening all over. It was needing this and that, and the mechanic Derek did it well, and she's going like a dream again. So it wasn't a major job. Thank you all. We're in Derek's workshop and he refurbishes old vehicles. As you can see, this beautiful Vauxhall, absolutely beautiful. Sorry, I'm just careful of tools here. Oh, it's gorgeous. He does the most brilliant work. So if you're ever needing, give us a shout on our page and we'll lead you to him. Look at this car. He's busy with another one now. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the work. And the interior, all beautifully done. Coke bottles. But it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, I don't want to trip here. Absolutely beautiful. Bananas, so we should have a nice crop this season. Vauxhall 1949. How's this? Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful.